Now, when you look into the NEO deliveries, you will know that the almost 25,000 or the 24,900 deliveries we saw for the month of June, it is the highest figure that NEO has reported this year. And this shows you that though NEO is not yet doubling sales, but they are on the road to obviously doubling sales as they said they would last year. Now, something very interesting that is making me to do this video today is that according to the new data coming from China, to the report we got from CNF Post showing the recent data, as soon as we notice that the NEV retail sales for the month of June hit 1.11 million, and this is the highest so far this year. This NEV retail grew by 29.7%, increase year over year, and increased by 8.2% month on month, which is something that shows you that the market is growing, and we are seeing, or not only seeing, a yearly high when it comes to the sales on the new energy retail sales, but we are also seeing our very own NEO also doing so well, because that figure was the best that NEO has reported this year. And yesterday, after the insurance registrations, you will know that I did come out and said that I have no doubt in my mind that we might be seeing an all-time high. And one thing that I said after we saw the insurance registrations yesterday, I highlighted something very important, and that is I highlighted that I think that NEO is going to get over 30,000 deliveries and go to an all-time high, and I still stand by that. I still believe that NEO is going to report over 30,000 deliveries this month, which will be so great. And already there are 5,100 of insurance registrations we saw. It's a sign, or it's a clear sign to say that yes, it is possible that we see plus 30,000 deliveries from NEO this month. And if we see that, if NEO can be able to produce that, I think it's lights out. You and me can agree that we just need to brace ourselves for what is coming, profitability in Q4, because NEO continues improving in terms of deliveries, which is one thing that, of course, as investors, it's very important. It's very important, right? And I think it is a very good encouragement that makes us to obviously also go and load the boat. But I'm not saying do this because I'm not a PR advisor. But all I'm saying is that whatever we see, whatever we read, whatever we watch about NEO, it is showing us one thing, and that is blue sky is coming, long term will win. As the Chinese market continues growing, and the companies like NEO will continue also growing in terms of sales. I mean, I did a video last week where we were talking about how President of the United States, Donald Trump, new beautiful bill is about, right? I mean, the taxes, which also have an impact into the EV cars in the US. China, on the other hand, has been offering some massive support to their local new energy vehicle cars like NEO by offering subsidies, by partnering and investing into these companies, which is something that I believe that it will make China to forever lead and dominate the EV market globally. I mean, 70% of the new energy vehicle cars are being sold in China, and these speak volumes about the developments, the technology, the massive breakthroughs that China is seeing coming from the new energy vehicle market. And seeing that the numbers continue growing, it's just so crazy, man, because you will know very well that China this year is expected to sell around 16 million units of new energy vehicle cars, right? The world as a whole is expected to sell around 20 million. So 16 out of 20 million cars are expected to come from China, right? And this, my dear friends, is something that is a very good wake-up call to say that there is no way that companies like NEO would fail on this kind of market, on whatever we are seeing in China, the kind of growth, the penetration of new energy vehicle cars in China. I mean, if you did not know, the penetration year to date, for the first time, it went over 50%. Right now, as I'm doing this video, the EV penetration of the new energy vehicle market penetration rate is over 50% onto China, meaning that there are more new energy vehicle cars or EV cars that are being bought over and above the gas cars or the engine combustion cars, which this is very good, and it shows you that there is hope onto NEO, and it is for that reason that I will take the low trading price as an opportunity to load the boat, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So yeah, man, I am happy, I am excited, and this 1.11 million, which is a 29% increase year over year, it's once again something that it's once again showing us the market, how the market, the new energy vehicle market in China continues to grow, because you can imagine a 29% increase year over year for the entire market. These are great news, good news, and I have no doubt in my mind that we shall be rewarded in the future. It's only the beginning, and those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. Tell me what you think about this. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that at least you can be notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I mean, it takes me some time to make videos like this, and YouTube has been telling me that some of you guys are just watching and not subscribing. And you know, those of you that have been on this channel for some time, that I give you latest developments onto NEO on a daily basis, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming, because I know one thing, and that is those that are persevering will be rewarded with time. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It takes me some time to get to this, to make videos like this. Share price wise, NEO might not be doing the most, but our time will come, because fundamentally NEO continues to do very, very well. Fundamentally NEO, it is that company that there is no way that the short sellers can short this stock forever. In fact, their days are numbered. Short sellers, their days are numbered, because very soon we are going to see NEO reaching profitability, and right now in Q3 there should be massive signs that shows us, or that leads us into the profitability mark for NEO, which, boy, I must say, I'm looking forward. I cannot wait. But anyways, I'll see you on the next one, and God bless you all.